All right, so welcome. I decided to keep it so simple and so good for fall. So I took a great pattern, 915, you all know it, Hugo's cardigan, Hugo's favorite cardigan. It was a Hugo Boss. I did fabric 66.96 and I did no changes. I just made it as it is. And you know that feeling when you've been sewing and you get up and you put it on and I think it's called the happy dance, but it's just so cool. I love it, I love it, I love it. So I just paired it with a little uniform underneath. Black tank, black pants, black yoga, black whatever. And then just throw it on top, or brown, or you could go color, but it's just so easy and it's so comfortable and it's so soft. The fabric is $10.99. Oh my gosh. So you need a couple yards and a pattern. And I'm going to show you a couple pictures close up because you may not be able to see it from where you are. So I'll show you the front. I put a little gold clasp on it because I just love a clasp. I just don't know. I've made it without before, but your call. Anyway, I put a little gold contemporary clasp on it, and then I'm going to show you a picture of the back because I have a tendency to put elastic in the back because I like it to have a little gathered effect in the back. I think it looks a little more finished. So I did that also. So again, quick sewing, easy sewing. I shouldn't say always, but a lot of times I wear it open because I love it. Just let the collar hang. All the best. Cardigans are everywhere for fall, and leopard prints. Animal prints. So this is a little abstract animal print. I decided it's just perfect for fall with brown, with black, with colors. The goal is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.